it's another day. So, birthday ngayon ng apo ni Janina. Invite niya ako, pero sabi ko hindi ako makakapunta. Nahihiya kasi ako mga loves. And feeling ko, it's a family gathering. Kasi ako lang yung i-invite niya. The rest of them are the family. So, parang na-out of place naman ako. Kaya sabi ko, hindi na lang ako attend. So, binigyan ko lang siya ng regalo. Binigyan ko lang siya ng Nike ring, tapos lip balm, candle, yun lang. Ang ganun ba? Gutom ako. Hindi kasi ako nag-lunch kasi late akong nag-almusal. Ngayon, gutom na. Are they winning?
15 bit, 18 bit, 20 pound bid, 22 bid.
Hi!
He's halfway there.
28 bit.
Where are you taking me?
In here.
In here. Okay, let's go.
Into my lair. Ladies first.
Okay.
You can go look in. Floor's clean now.
It's clean. You've been vacuuming in here. So, papunta tayo dito mga loves. Hold the phone please while I'm climbing.
You haven't been down the room yet, have you?
Yeah, I can see now that it will be a big
Have you actually walked down here?
no, I haven't. So I can see now that this will be a big lounge.
Massive.
Yeah. Big lounge.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I think the TV will be here, hon. I
On
don't
this
know.
wall?
On this wall.
Yeah, well, I think so. Then you can
Yeah.
be facing this way.
Yeah.
And
then there will be
if you
light.
sat here, you've got full view out.
Yeah,
If
this
you're looking this way,
Yeah,
you're looking
it's
at
a
the
big,
wall, aren't you?
yeah. I think
You know.
the TV will be here, mga
Yeah,
loves.
yeah, we need to make
The
it
centerpiece.
a feature somehow.
Yeah, it is a big one. It's a big lounge.
You told me it wasn't very big at one point.
Huh? Right, let's go.
Yeah.
Hold.
Well,
Hold the camera and then I'll follow you through.
I'll tell you what to do. So I'll hold it, don't worry. Why are you being so
Why
nervous?
do we have to...
Why are you being so nervous?
I'm so scared. of
Why?
something.
Come on, just go. No, just keep going up the ladder. Don't get off yet. Go on, keep going.
You sure?
Yes.
Right.
Right.
Hold.
Right. Onto there. That's it. Yeah. That's it. Oh, got it.
Yeah, your turn now. So dito, this will be a door, mga loves.
Well, it won't. Well, it will.
It will.
Right. But we have the partition here. Comes across here
Why?
because
Why there will be a partition here? This will be the bathroom.
that's cloakroom.
Okay.
Yes. And then from here, that's your bedroom that way.
This is our bedroom this way.
Yeah. You see, we've lifted the ceiling, so it makes it bigger in area.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
Ah.
This partition will go straight to the ceiling up there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I go here?
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. That view we have scaffolding, but
Have they been, right?
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. Yeah. So where the bedroom will be, the headboard will be here.
I would think, yeah, if you lie here, you can look at the bed.
Yeah.
That way, that way.
The head, yeah.
You see,
The headboard, it will be here, and then 2 side tables. And
the
then,
bathroom is a reasonable size, and that's a reasonable size.
yeah.
There's 2 doors here, because this is a partition here, comes along, there'll be a partition here, and the door is actually there coming into the room.
Huh? The door will be here?
Well, it shows it's there, but we might put it here actually.
Yeah. And then, yun yung na-mention ko nga sa inyo na na-crack yung window dito. Tingnan nyo. Outside layer lang. But we still need to replace the,
That, hasn't it?
It's in. Yeah. So how much will be the window? Do you have to
Just a glass.
just this the outer glass?
I think there's something in
Just the
there.
outer glass, sweetie.
No, it's a full thing.
The full thing. You cannot use this because this one is okay.
No.
Ah.
They've got argon in them.
Ah.
I've gas in them, you see.
Okay. So yeah, soon this will be the bedroom.
Why is that sucked in like that?
I don't know. Nandito pa rin ako sa extension. So we are, you know, deciding what we're gonna put, mga loves, where we're gonna put the sockets, and you know, we're just planning kung saan ilalagay yung mga TV, yung mga furniture, bedroom furniture and all that, kasi i-drill na to soon.
How much?
Hi! Watching again. How about this one, John?
That'll be blocked.
This will be blocked. Yeah. And this will be removed. So yeah. Kasi originally talaga, yung plano namin noon is to have another doorway dito din. Dito na side. Kasi ito kasi is, ano to siya? Alam niyo yung bottom cabinet namin sa may hagdanan? Dito yun. Pero sabi ko, wag na maglagay ng another doorway, oy. Kasi ang dami ng kailangan gawin. So, I think, okay na isa lang yung doorway. But yeah, slowly, but at least meron tayong progress. And determinado talaga si Mr. na, ano ba, siya yung gagawa majority of the extension or yung mga decorating. Ito mga love siya nito lahat. Itong jukebox na to, he will have a space there. He talaga, no? He, lalaki. 4:35 na dito at hindi pa din kami naghahaponan. Gutom na si John. So, hindi pa kami naghahaponan kasi may natanggap ako na estimated time of arrival ng Forex. It is actually unexpected. Hindi ko siya in-expect na pupunta sila ngayon kasi kahapon sana naka-schedule yung box ko for collection. However, may na-receive akong text message sa kanila na nag-breakdown sila in the middle of motorway. So, ayun, na-cancel sila. And today is a Easter Monday, so I was not expecting na pupunta sila. So, na-receive ko yun. Tapos, after mga 2 minutes ata, tinawagan nila ako na 1 hour away na daw sila sa aming bahay. So, sabi ni John, hintayin na lang natin before tayo maghapunan. Kaya, ayun. Wala pa ding, wala pang hapunan. Gutom na din talaga ako. So, ito na yung box. So, see you. So, mag-ingat ka, box. Hopefully, you will arrive safe in the Philippines. Sabi sa map, nandito na daw sila. Kaya, let's go. Are they here? Ah, I think that's them. This way. Yeah, I think that's them. You think that's them? Yeah, it's them, mga loves. You need to be careful with that post. Buti na lang nandito si John. Honey, look on the post. That's it.
We go caravan with my family around this place.
Yeah, why not? Oh, there's a helicopter over there.
What's the caravan park?
Bye-bye, kuya. Bye-bye, ingat. Sige, bye-bye. Nice to see you too. Bye-bye.
Yeah, so if you go out, down to junction, and turn right, yeah.
Our box is gone. Thank you for helping. So, kanina, pumunta ako sa post office para maghatid ng isang parcel sa post office. And then, yung post office, malapit siya sa mga charity shops. And ito, nakabili ako ng 5 dresses. It only cost me 14 pounds in total. Imagine nyo, 5 dress and 14 pounds lang yung mabayaran ko. So, hindi talaga ako sa mga charities, mga loves, kasi nakakatipid ka ba. Ito-try ko. Ito, medyo malaki to sa akin, pero don't worry kasi meron tayong sewing machine. Kaya natin yung i-adjust. Try ko. Nandito yung mga nagtingin sa bahay para sa dashing. Ika-calculate kasi nila kung magkano yung babayaran namin talaga ni Jan. Wala naman ako ambag sa mga ganyan. So yeah, ina-try ko. So this is the first dress. Yan. Gusto ko siya. Ito yung sinasabi ko na medyo malaki siya sa akin. Oh. But don't worry, gagawa natin yan ng paraan. Oh. May pang summer na tayo. The next one is ito. Hindi ko siya trinay, pero I'm pretty sure magkakasya siya kasi garterize siya sa akin. Second dress, yan. Gusto ko siya kasi bagsak na bagsak siya ba. Itong dress na to, meron siyang strap, pero mas bet ko siya na ganyan suotin. Sobrang comfy niya ba kasi flowy na flowy yung dating niya. Ito na yung sinasabi ko. Ito, napabili ako nito kasi naka-display to. And yung mannequin yung nagsuot nito. And sabi ko, it looks so good. And sa size extra small. So sabi ko, hindi ko na isusukat. At ngayon, parang, ewan, parang mukha ako matutulog. If you know what I mean. Kasi yung material niya, medyo, siya ba? Ito, medyo slippery. Haba siya. Yan. Ito yung length niya. Yan. Pwede naman siguro siyang, pwede siya lagyan ng belt ba? Just dito, hindi siya, siya sa akin, hindi siya fit. What can I do to this? I really don't know. I don't know mga loves, kung ano yung masisay ko dito. Sa fourth dress na tayo. Ito yung pang-apat na dress. I like this. Very sophisticated. What do you think? Not bad na, diba? 3 pounds lang to. And ito na yung pinakalas. Yan. Normally, I don't go with this style na dress, mga loves, na scoop neck and then sleeveless. And kung matagal na kayo nanonood sa akin, hindi talaga ako mahilig sa mga sleeveless kasi insecure talaga ako sa aking arms. And pag ganitong style na suot ko, na sleeveless and scoop neck, feeling ko ang laki-laki ng braso ko. Tingnan. Kaya, I don't know. Grinab ko na lang siya kasi 2 pounds. Tapos, ang ganda ng quality niya. Medyo see-through. What I mean is, parang hindi siya gamit ba? You know what I mean? And meron siyang paslit dito. Yan. And meron siyang belt. Yung belt niya, all around yung belt niya, mga loves. Pero, hindi ko siya nasuot ng mabuti. Kaya, nagganon siya. Ganito siya. Pero, yeah. I think so. I like this. It's just that, yeah. Itong malaking braso ko yung problema. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan, mga loves. Yan na talaga yan. So, di ba? Worth it yung ano natin, trip ngayon kasi nakapag-shopping tayo ng mga dress na pang summer.